In today's manufacturing landscape, quality control faces unprecedented challenges. Production speeds are increasing while tolerance for errors continues to decrease. Our edge-to-cloud solution transforms this landscape by seamlessly merging edge computing with cloud intelligence. The system operates at two levels at the production line. Advanced cameras and local processes analyze products in real time, ensuring immediate detection and response. Meanwhile, in the cloud, sophisticated algorithms continuously learn and improve, sharing insights across all your facilities. This unique architecture delivers the speed of local processing with the intelligence of cloud computing. This solution revolutionizes quality control from periodic sampling to continuous real-time inspection. Edge processes catch defects instantly, while cloud algorithms learn from every inspection, creating a quality network that scales across facilities. The centralized platform manages, updates, and predicts maintenance needs, seamlessly integrating with existing machinery. The result? Production teams focus on innovation, while the system gets smarter with every product inspected.